So let's click on trade here and check out the platform itself then. So this is a proprietary platform and it is web-based, meaning you can log in from any web browser. You don't need to download or install any software at all. And it runs on all operating systems and across all devices too, including mobile and tablet. So first of all, you can see the asset list is available here. So you can scroll your way down here. If you want to, say, look at one of the assets, you can sell or buy directly from the symbol list. And from here, you can click on this, which then opens the chart on the right side of the screen. You can also add this to your watch list or your list of favorites by clicking on the star. So if I simply click on sell, this trading window opens where I can add my leverage. It will show me exactly how much cash I need for this trade. I can turn on or switch off stop loss and take profit and then click on sell. The position then goes to open positions at the bottom of the screen. If I then want to close my position, I can close all my positions at once if I wish, or simply the position I had opened. So for instance, if I just open another position here, I can show you that from here I can either close the position, I can show the chart, I can reverse the position, or I can double up on my position ×2. So those are my positions. My available or my open orders are here, and my trading history of my closed trades is available through there, and all of my account details are here. So you can see how much of my cash I've currently used, 0.33%. I can also deposit through here too. So then the chart is on the right hand side of the screen. So with this, I can look at a variety of different time frames, check out different kinds of charts, and take a look at over 70 different indicators, which I can add on top of the chart here. So I've just clicked on Relative Strength Index, the RSI, and you can see that underlays beneath the chart. And then, for instance, if I want to overlay, say, some Bollinger Bands on top of my chart, simply click on here, choose the, let's say, the Bollinger Bands, and if I close this that then appears on top, and visually this is an awesome chart, really cool to look at. And as you can see, it is real time. There are other things you can do with this chart. It's well worth taking a look at some of the settings, and of course you can open multiple charts, and this whole page is quite customizable. You can drag and drop everything, so you can make things larger and smaller depending on what you want to be looking at from up here too. All of your account details are available through here. So now I'm going to go ahead and show you the same trading platform for mobile, which looks slightly different.